Hey guys, so I have a lot of friends that are Jeepers and they've been asking me about going off-road and towing an RV. I know there's been a lot of buzz about the overland lifestyle and how much fun it is to get off the beaten path. So I've got this Jeep that's pretty much stock with 4x4 hooked up to the Micro Minnie that's lifted with oversized tires. I'm gonna take this thing off-road to see exactly how it will handle. Come on, let's see it. All right, so we're headed down this back country road. It's kind of bumpy, and you know, this SUV is a little smaller, but it's handling this RV really well. I don't have sway bars or anything on, and it's really comfortable. Wow, if this isn't off-roading, I don't know what is. This thing handled a lot better than I even expected. I think it has a lot to do with the way it's lifted, and they put the oversized tires straight from the factory. Winnebago did a really good job. I can't think of any regular RV that could come out off-roading and handle that well. I've noticed a lot of RVs on the market that they advertise off-road or off-road package, but they only have one axle, and they're not really lifted quite like the Winnebago. So inside you can see it's equipped with a full kitchen, it's got a very spacious bathroom, and there's a lot of places to sit and sleep. So that's the Micro Minnie lifted with oversized tires. Go to wadesrv.com to see more of our Winnebago selection. Visit our Facebook page and tune into our radio show, RV Camping with Little Wade. Until next time.